Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine and today I'm going to show you how to screen record on a Mac. I have a MacBook Pro. It's a 2013. I don't think that matters. I think this works for every Mac, but you let me know if it doesn't and you can just look up another tutorial. But anyway, this is how you screen record. You hit Command Shift, how do I do this? Command Shift 5. It looks really awkward on with just one hand, but anyway, Command Shift 5 all at the same time, and this little bar comes up. So you have some options. You can do the entire screen, you can just do a selected window, portion, record entire screen, this. Options, this is what's important. Just right here, if you can choose none, so that, you know, if I were to screen record right now, my laptop wouldn't record anything that I'm saying right now. So that's helpful if you just want to screen record like a video on your laptop. Built-in microphone, so you can hit that option if you just want to talk out loud. Or I have my headset plugged into my laptop, so if I wanted to screen record and do a voiceover at the same time, I could hit this and it would record everything. And so then once I do that, I hit record. Alright, and so it started. And there's this little button right there at the top that means it's recording, and so when you're done recording your screen, you just hit that button and see, it saves in the corner right there. It's saving it and it's done. So yeah, that's how you screen record. I hope this was helpful and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye.